Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily convert a PowerPoint file into a PDF on your Mac. Method number 1. This works if you already have Microsoft PowerPoint installed. Go ahead and open up your presentation in PowerPoint. Next, head up to the File menu and select Export. Here, choose where you want to save the file. But the most important part is right here under File Format. Make sure you select PDF. Then, just hit Export. And just like that, you'll have a PDF file containing all your slides from the PowerPoint. Alright, now let's move on to the second method. If you don't have PowerPoint installed on your computer, don't worry, you can use Keynote. This is a free app that comes pre-installed on every Mac. Just right-click on your PowerPoint file, go to Open With, and select Keynote. If you don't see Keynote listed there, click Other, then go to your Applications folder, find Keynote, and open it. Once the file is open in Keynote, go back up to the File menu, choose Export to, and select PDF. Here, you can adjust the image quality. Selecting Best will give you the highest quality, but keep in mind the file size will be larger. Choose your save location and hit Export. And there you go. You get a PDF file just like you would with PowerPoint. So, that's how you convert PowerPoint to PDF on a Mac using 2 different ways. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.